My name is Jimena. I'm 24 years old. I came from Madrid, Spain. I'm doing Business Excellence Service for 1 year here in Toronto, and I'm really happy and excited about it. I recommend everybody to come here to Canada. It's a great experience, and doing it with Information Planet was great. They helped me a lot. They promote a lot of things, of events, so you can meet more people, and it's really good. I didn't expect nothing. I was like, okay, I'm going there. I know it's gonna be good because I really want to do this. But when I came here, it's awesome. See all the multicultural persons you have here, the diverse. It's amazing. It's really good, and you meet people from all over the world. You talk with a lot of persons. The city, you have like a really modern part, and there's another like old one, but the mix it's really interesting. Well, I like it's the only place I've been, like the only academy I've been, but I think it's the best. And my first impression was like, wow, this is like huge. I didn't know like what I'm gonna do. It's like everything is really good, and I don't know. I was a little bit shy at first, but then the people make you like being I don't know how to explain. Yeah, comfortable, and you enjoy it a lot. It's a really good experience. First, right now I think that I have to finish my first year, and then I will see, because I really wanted to come here, so maybe I stay, but I don't really know. Bye, Information Planet.